Hello, hello. Welcome back. Um, this week's Epic Games is another 2 for 1. This game is Calico, one of the games that is on the Epic Games giveaway. Um, it looks like it is a quite a chilled game, similar to Animal Crossing, the way the NPCs talk. Yeah, so if you're not really into that whole chill vibe, this video is not going to be for you. It's not going to be like action packed and stuff like that. It's going to be very relaxed. So don't worry. Uh, yeah, don't worry about it. It's not for you. But if you want to like sit here chill, watch Calico about a cat cafe, then that's cool. Uh, as you can see, I'm in my underwear. There is a character creation I just skipped through because I don't care. Um, there are cats that is kind of psychedelic. So let's see what we can do. Oh. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Go to a cafe, open your inventory, select a piece of furniture. It helps if you read. Oh, hello. Inventory. Rad. Yeah, so you set up a little cat cafe, there are cats, hence Calico. How do I rotate this? Like that. Let's see. So heads up, it's going to be quite a laid back stream. Something you'd put in the background, especially with this kind of music. I don't really expect any kind of wow, ooh, engaging kind of thing. So yeah, I won't be offended if you don't stick around. Also, the feng shui that I just put sucks. How do I? There we go. Go talk to the mayor. No, I talk to the mayor. She's the mayor. Animals! Your auntie always had a bunch of cute cuddly animals in the cafe. Honestly, it is the best part of the whole thing. Why don't you look around and adopt an animal for the cafe? Normally you should avoid wild animals, but the magic of this island has made them all super friendly and cuddly. You can pick up any animal and use the animal command to tell them to follow you or go to the cafe. Your animal journal keeps track of all the animals that you've met. Let's give their names, summon them to your party, or give them hats. You're mine now. Yes. You belong to me. Go to cafe. Food. Okay, so the other thing you need to learn is making food for the cafe. Can't have a cafe without cafe food and drinks. Your aunt left you a couple of recipes, but it's not many. I'm sure if you talk to the other villagers, they may be able to share some family recipe with you in exchange for your help. But for now, why don't you head into the kitchen and try out those recipes. Alright. Something else to note, this island is very much based on old magic. The way we do things is a bit different here. I think you'll really enjoy the cooking, though it is pretty fun to throw an egg the size of your whole body. Oh, you'll see, you can try it. I run like a toddler with poo in his underwear, in his diaper. Go into the kitchen and make a tasty treat. Tweet. Not treat. Treat. Oh. What am I doing? Eee. Okay. This is interesting. Look. I don't understand. I do understand now. Okay. Interesting. Unos egg. Can I Kobe this? Is it gonna break? No. Oh. Uno burro. Wait, no, isn't that a donkey? I was thinking beurre, like in French, beurre is sugar, but burro, I think, is a donkey. So we can add a donkey to our cupcakes if you are so inclined. Eat us. Eat us. 1 stick of butter. Eat us. 1 uncracked egg. With vanilla. I wonder if you can like freestyle the cooking. Was ist dein flour and sugar? That's the fridge. So it won't be at the fridge. It has to be on the shelf, right? I must have missed it. I'm dumb. I must have missed it. Yeast. Coffee. Fruit. Tea. Chocolat. Cinnamon. Oh, there. It was pointing it to me. How do I even get up there? It was pointing it to me. I'm dumb. I'm a stupid. So. Oh, hello. Hilarious. Okay. Let's see. Go on, rat. Double bounce me. I'm gonna be part of the recipe. Oh, I can't. I'm being dumb again. I know that there's a way up there. Is it this thing? It's this thing, isn't it? This is an elevator. I thought it was for napkins. I thought this was a napkin holder. I was completely ignoring it. No, it's an elevator. My goodness. My goodness. Well, non. Je ne veux pas de l'huile. I do not want the oil. Por. Sugary treats. Thank you. Et du flour. Confiture is sugar, isn't it? Or jam. I can't remember. Time pushes your ingredients mix and ingredient top of mixing. I don't know why, but it's difficult for me to see the icons. And something smells good, and I'm not. Something smells really good, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, I'm not sure why it smells good, and I'm not sure why I can't see the icons. Oh, I see. Oh, you're supposed to use the pole. Mixy, mixy. Jump on the rolling pin to roll up the dough. And can you do that? Quiet, cat. Will you do the can you do that? Can I go a little bit slower? Just a tiny bit. I look so dainty. And now we moonwalk. Wait, why was I fast there? Weird. If I go from an angle, it's faster. Time to jump right into cutting out, okay? Oh, go. Toss the cookies. I toss. Cookie, go. Cookie, go. Cookie, go. Cookie, go. I know there are rats in this kitchen. If you get hantavirus, it's not my fault. The health codes are very fast and loose on this island. I am just a product of the environment. So don't eat rat pee or rat poo. You'll be fine. Pick up. What am I doing? Toss the pan in the oven, run on the wheel. Alright. Some vanilla. Ice? Oh, there's icing sugar. Yes, walk on everyone's food. All floor spice makes everything nice. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Walk to the mayor again. Alright. Hey. Hey. I'm so proud of you. You're a natural. I guess that's left is meeting some of the neighbors. Once you meet someone, they'll start coming to the cafe when they have free time in their schedule. When people visit your cafe, they'll buy food you've made and eat even when you aren't there. Your magical food stock is infinite, so don't worry about making new food every day. However, the townsfolk all have different tastes, so if you change up the food in your display case, they may tip you more for your favorites. Unfortunately, we have had some problems traveling to and from the other areas of the island, which sucks. I haven't been able to get to the hot springs for months. Maybe one of the villagers has an idea on how to fix some of the blockades. Anyways, I hope you get the cafe back up and running. If you ever want to chat with me about it, you can find me or anyone else you've met on the map. See you, friendo. Okay. Is there like a map I can use? The path to the mountain. Meet the townspeople. Learn the path on the mountain. Okay. I guess you just follow the path. Not really used to. Oh my god, I'm running like a titan. And one of those malformed one, not the cool one. Hello, how can I help you? My name is Maya, Vice President of the Owl Club, at your service. Oh, but I'm sorry, but the Vice President is of nothing right now. There was a landslide that blocked the path to the mountains. If we can't go to the mountains, that means we can't go to the Owl Club headquarters. When we can't go to the Owl Club headquarters, that means you can't meet Freya. She's the president of the Owl Club. The president of my heart. How sweet. I'm in a real pickle of beans right now. Weird. Right, is what I'm saying. Pickle of beans. I don't know if I've mentioned this to you, but there's a landslide entrance Snowbell Mountain. It's such a bummer. I have no idea how you can help, but if you find a way through, I promise you can be a prestigious mage of the Owl Club. I asked everyone in town to help, but no one could except for Autumn. I haven't asked her yet. She lives in a bottle at the top of the hill, next to the cafe. It's really, really high up, and I'm scared of heights. I know that seems weird of an owl-based magical girl, but I can't actually fly. Yeah, it's weird of an owl-based magical girl. You might as well just be a potato. Whee! No fall damage. Yeah, Titan run. Running like a toddler running after a cat. Hello. Oh gosh, are you the new cat cafe owner? I've been so excited to meet you. This is the best day ever. My name is Maribel and I own the fashion store in town. You should come by and see my clothes. You would look amazing in them. You already look amazing. I love your outfit. Thank you. It's my underwear. But you can always have more. As you can see by my fashion sense, less is more. Oh my, what do we have here? New customer. Or should I say new neighbor? You're the one that took over the old cat cafe, aren't you? I always admire the industrious spirit. I'm sure we'll get along famously. Please look around my store if you need. You'll need to furnish that cafe if you want customers. Fine. Okay, goth girl. Just like in real life, let me spend my money on you. I have a round table. I need trash. Spooky chair. 3 buttons. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, I could go for another table. One, two. Good. What the hell are you? Hello, creature. Meow, 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 meow. Hi. Donut recipe? King Puff, remote control mouse. Mr. Moosey. Rad cat throne. Citrus carpet. How much are you? Not enough monies. Not enough monies. Well then. Greedy little. Hello. Animal command. Go to the cafe. You are now mine. I've stolen someone's pet rabbit. Hey, it was cool to see a fresh face around here. I'm Ash. I work at the general store. Guess I'm Miss Stella's assistant. I don't just get her, but I've learned more magic from her than I ever did in magic school, so this job isn't the worst. Fine. Okay, that's blocked. That's blocked. Time to do the Attack on Titan run. What is that, a rat? Is that a badger? Oh, it's a, red panda. Go to the cafe, red panda. I said go to the cafe, red panda. Okay, you don't want to listen to me. I'll drop kick you. You know what? I'm gonna store you. Whack. That's amazing. I did not know this would be the outcome, but this is the outcome. Pose for the camera, my guy. Chick chick. Nice. Nice. That's our thumbnail right there. Go on, do the Titan run. There we go. You there, you look like a person that appreciates good flower, and we appreciate people who appreciate good flowers. Because good flowers is what we've got. Get to practice my sales pitch to new people very often, but get the idea. I'm Lily, I help my pops run the flower store. My forehead is really sore. It feels so dry, and I don't know if it's a sunburn or like some kind of eczema. Oh no, look who it is. It's been so long since I've seen you. You've grown from a sprout to a flower. You've never met before, have we? Thank goodness, hey? So I just forgot. My name's Poppy, I run the flower shop. With my daughter Lily, you can never have too many followers. I like that approach, actually. If I forget someone's name. Hey, Chum. That was a weird way to pick up a cat. Shoe with you. Like the old demonic back grab. Into the water. Nice. Is it like a fast travel, or do I have to like find my way back? Look at all these animals I am adopting or kidnapping. What are you? A dog. Oh, apparently I got store animal. Mount. No. Drop. Away with you. Away with you, vile cur. Oh lordy, look at that thing. I don't know who Autumn is. I guess I haven't found her. So. Oh, crow. Hello, crow. I like crows. They're cool. They're so pretty. Crows are really interesting to watch fly because their feather design is really weird compared to other birds. Their feathers are very spread out compared. Why is it so hard to climb stairs? Oh lord. Hello. Oh, hey, Autumn. Greetings, traveler, and welcome to my emporium of potent potions. Oh, I'm Portum. I'm Autumn. Sorry, I haven't had any potions. I don't have any potions available right now. My cat Char is missing, and I have no idea where she is. And the worry has gotten to me. Totally behind making my potions. I can help you look for your cat. That'd be incredible. I have a feeling she might be near the center of town. Last time she went missing, I found her in a pile of clothing at the clothing store. She wasn't there when I checked earlier. Okay. I have to climb all this again. Okay. Oh, I can't. Oh, I'm in a bubble. Hey, mini booble. Whee! You died. Titan run. Titan run. There it is. Did you see it? It's on the roof. Bad kitty. You're a bad kitty. Naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Go on, run faster. There we go. Hello. You must be the new cafe owner. Kiva offered to let me take care of the cafe, but it turned out cats aren't very different from flowers. Both require a lot of love, but cats don't like getting watered. Nice to meet you. If you ever want to plant your roots and soak up some sun... Okay. These people and their puns are a little bit unbearable. I like a good pun. I do. But it has to be a good pun. Hi, I'm Sunny. Blossom and I are so excited about the cat cafe reopening. I thought about running the cafe myself, but that would have spoiled the magic for me. Besides, I'd rather run the Boardwalk Arcade. You think if I get the high score on every machine, I can legally own the place? No. I think you have to buy it with money. What the hell is that cat? That's a cute cat. Like all stubby and stuff. Look at the ragdoll physics of the cat. It's like, ah. You're mixing it like a paint mixer. Legs all wobbly and stuff. This is one of my favorite facts ever. And it's from the Ig Nobel Awards for science. Is that cats are considered a liquid. And they tested cats by putting them in certain, like, containers and vessels and stuff to see if they take the shape. Because water takes the liquid takes the shape of whatever it's contained in. And they decided that cats are technically a liquid. Every time I start that story, my friends are like, cats are a liquid. And it's like, oh, do I say it that much? Yes, I do. Cats are liquid. Here you go, here's your demon rat cat. It's your child. It's a hard one. It would be great to be able to go back to the mountains. It's one of my biggest customers there. Lumion up at the Snowball Hot Springs always commissions potions for me for her herbal baths. I don't really make potions that blow up rocks though. Let me think about it a bit. Come back tomorrow, should have something for you. Alright. Okay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Every day is something new.
Oh. Lyrics. Oh, that was just the lyric? Okay. I thought there was going to be more. I do not have a Shiba Inu, I believe. Oh, I have the panda in my head. Hello, rabbit. Alright. Damn, it's warm. Yo. How goes the potion? I stayed up all night thinking about this potion. You have to spend a lot of time getting potion right before you use it. It's a shame if you don't test it enough. Turn yourself into half cat forever. I mean, I really like being half cat, but still. That's crazy. She was human once. We're doing first aid, bigger fire potion. Any animal to make them huge. It won't work on birds. Mixing flying and magic is tricky. This potion is perfect. The potion makes Kitty big and strong. Big and strong enough to plow right through those rocks. That seems dumb. I mean, I think that'll work. Try it out. All these my potions are reversible. So just use them on your animal or yourself. A second time to undo the effect. Use the potion on one of your animals. Okay. How do I use my potion on this thing? I suppose I have to go down first. There we go. Okay. Ride your animal to break through the mountain path. Give me oh. Okay. I'd like you to go a bit faster, Red Panda. I know you're not biologically designed for this, but... Not a ferret. No, this is a really weird looking dog. Um, I guess it's not the right one. Is there a map or anything, kind of an indicator? Yes, there is. I'm just dumb. Okay. What is that? There is a creature. Oh, it's her, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. See, I need to learn to read. Make haste, Humphrey. Nice. Humphrey, you the goat. You're the red panda, but you're the goat. Okay, I've broken through the wall. And I think that's where I'm going to call it. It's been half an hour. So this is quite a chill game, a very slow game. Not very action-packed. So if this is your kind of game, it's free on Epic Games for this week. If not, I get it. But again, it's free on Epic Games, so even if you change your mind, or you want something slow-paced at some point, better to have it not need than need and not have it, eh? This is Calico, Cat Cafe. Yeah. See you later for the next game. Because it's a twofer this week as well.